Help me! No, I surrender!
This is funny.
I surrender! Yay! Take your face off!
Stop it right now.
Oh, yeah.
Come here, Chloe.
You wanna go? Jesus! You got fat, don't you? Oh. Stay away from my family!
Block it. Grab a
Stay away!
so that way that she can't climb
We'll
up on.
sign a peace treaty! We'll sign a peace treaty! Uh-oh. I guess you don't want to!
Can you hold this up that way that she can't like bite us?
Do you want to sign a peace treaty or not? Oh, she just shook her head no! Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to sign a peace treaty? No, it's on!
It's on like Donkey Kong. Lisa, come closer. That way we don't have to stretch us out so much.
Oh, you gonna hold me like you did last night?
I think she said no.
I'm scared. You're on me. Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Hey, Chloe, get Joey. I think she's tired.
Okay, did you do all your business? Okay, are you done? Are you done? Oh, no, you're not. Help me. Help me.
Chloe, help Joey.
Space. Okay, end it.
Whoa, we get to see some nakedness that time. Bye-bye, Chloe.